welcome to our final video all about Screencastify Submit. Let's start with what is Screencastify Submit. Screencastify Submit is something that Screencastify has been working on, and it'll allow us to connect with students and to connect students to each other. So essentially, it allows you to create a recording link, share that link very easily with students, and then watch the videos from the links that your students are creating. In order to access Screencastify, we are on the screencastify.com site. We're going to go to Products, and we're going to click on Submit. Now, Screencastify Submit is currently not accessible for everyone just yet, but it is coming very soon. I want to go over what it looks like and how to use it once it's available to everyone. But you can also click on Request Early Access, fill out a couple of questions, and you should receive early access very shortly after you submit that. One thing too, once Screencastify Submit is available, they will be providing free access to all educators through June 30th. So now let's look at once Screencastify Submit is here, how do we actually use it? Once you actually have Screencastify Submit, this is what your dashboard will look like. So you can click New Assignment, and we're going to put in a few details. So for the title, let's just say it's a check-in, and you want to leave your students instructions of what this video is supposed to be about. So let's say, please leave a quick video explaining how your week has been. Just a quick check-in. Then we're going to click Next. Now you need settings. You can either have them recording their screen with the microphone or webcam with microphone. So it depends on what the purpose of your submit assignment is. If I want it to be a check-in with them, I'm probably going to click webcam and microphone so that I can see them when they check in. If I have them explaining something that they've completed, then I'm probably going to go with screen and microphone because I want to be able to see their screen. So let's leave it at webcam and microphone. Email notifications. So do you want to be notified every time someone submits a video? If yes, leave that on. If no, you can turn that off. And then this is another important one. Share all assignment videos with submitters. So do you want everyone to be able to see each other's videos? So right now it's off, meaning you're the only one that is going to be able to see those videos, or you can turn it on if you want students to be able to see each other's videos and be able to give each other feedback. I'm going to turn it off because it's just a check-in, so I want to be the one that's seeing the videos. Then I'm going to click Next. Now it's generating a link. You can see here that your assignment is live. I can copy the link, or I can click on Classroom and I can link it directly to my classroom. I'm just going to click Copy and I'm going to click Done. Here you can see your assignment details. So if you need the link again, you can click here. You can see that so far no one has submitted because I haven't shared the link. Date you created, it's open, and the title. If we click here, we can edit it or we can close the assignment when it's done. You can very easily share this link on any platform, whether you share it through email or you want to share it on Google Classroom or share it somewhere else. Now, the nice part about Screencastify Submit is that your students do not have to have a Screencastify account in order to use this. The only thing they'll be required to do is when they click on the account or on the actual link that you share with them, they will be required to log in with their Google email. You can also see right here, it says no Chrome extension required. So if your students have Chromebooks, they're not going to need an extension to be able to use this. There are many different ways that you can use Screencastify and Screencastify Submit. Screencastify can be used to record lessons or even record a how-to for students or colleagues. Screencastify Submit can be used to keep students connected. You can use it to check in with students. You can use it to allow students to reflect or to allow students peer learning and give each other feedback. Throughout this video series, we've walked through how to sign in to Screencastify and add a Screencastify extension to Chrome, how to make a recording, how to edit a recording, and how to use Screencastify Submit. Hopefully this helps you get started if Screencastify is something you're interested in.